All right, everybody, Sylvia here. I am at church in the desert of Southern California, and today I want to do a video. I need your opinion about something. I got a couple of products that I want to show you, and I want to hear which one you think is going to be better for my upcoming tour. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. All right, so I'm out in front of my trailer and I've got my trike here, and I am in preparations for this very big tour that I am doing in just a month's time. It's really coming up quick. And I have a couple of choices about what to bring for mobile trike repair where I need to get the rear wheel off the ground. And I bought this foldable repair stand, but it's really important that I have a way while I'm touring to get this rear wheel off the ground. I have no trouble getting the rear wheel off the trike. I can, for instance, fix a flat, but I do not have the strength to lift the rear of the trike and get the wheel back on the trike. I have a roll-off speed hub and it's very tight. The wheel needs to go in really perpendicular. And so I kind of need two hands to do that. And so I really need to get this trike off the ground. And so this is one option. And then this is my trusty cone. This is the other option. I've been using this for many, many years. And typically I keep it just stuffed behind the seat, but you can see that I have what's called a green guru bag. This is an insulated bag, and I can keep stuff that's somewhat perishable in here. It's insulated, and I'll stop at a convenience store that has a soda fountain and an ice machine and fill up a little baggie, and then I can keep fruits, vegetables, maybe some cooked sausages. I have my bike pump in this bike pump bag from TerraCycle, and then on this side I have my TerraCycle water bladder. And this particular repair stand weighs 25.5 ounces, and this cone weighs just over 3 ounces. It's a significant difference in weight. And today I discovered that I can stick the cone just behind this, and I can keep it in place with the bike pump, with some Velcro, and I could actually use like a reusable zip tie to hold it in place. I still need to do a ride with it just to see that if it's, I hope it doesn't move around too much. But the difference, of course, is 3 ounces and 25 ounces. But let me show you how the cone fits. And I need to know if you can think of a reason why this repair stand that I have the trike in right now, or the cone will work better. Let me set this up. Okay, so this is what the rear of the trike looks like lifted on the cone, and you can see that it's not as high as it was with the stand, but I think it's high enough. And it fits just in a space on the frame. So it's kind of a perfect little spot here. And then, of course, you want it to be stable. And so, I'm pulling side to side and back and front. And this cone really holds it stable. I've got the batteries in the mounts, and, it seems like it holds it up really well. But I guess my question is there a situation, obviously not everywhere I need to do repairs where I have to get the rear of the trike off the ground. Is it going to be, this smooth cement? Sometimes it's going to be on the side of the road. It can be uneven terrain. unpaved terrain. And I'm wondering if there's a reason why this cone wouldn't work and I should use this stand instead. And, you know, I was also thinking that the space inside the cone, you know, I could put some shop rags and disposable gloves. I could put some Velcro around and then Velcro to the inside of this cone, and then I would have a place for something like that. So that is the big question for the day. Which trike stand do I bring? Do I bring the heavier mobile trike stand that folds flat? It puts the trike up higher off the ground, or can I get away with my trusty 3-ounce cone and feel confident that I'm going to be able to do trike repairs where I need to get my trike up off the ground anywhere I am? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Be safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.